So what was the onboarding experience like? Was it easy to get your team aligned and working inside Scrut?
So although a platform like Scrut is very intuitive, right, easy to navigate to, has an amazing UI, UX features. But the idea is from our end, just ensuring that every single user from the compliance team who will be looking at the platform, the team at Scrut really ensured that we get hands-on during the onboarding process, right? So they really ensure this right set of time, right set of multiple calls being lined up. Every single user becomes very comfortable to the product. So I think that experience was really smooth, right? Really ensured that people from our end knows and hows of every single feature present on the Scrut platform. So I think the team really had a good time. Yeah.